Welcome to my very first cooking tutorial show of cools guys, hope you enjoy and like XD. Today we will be cooking my favorite cheese and chutney porridge special, hope you enjoy. Bon appetit, bon appetite guys. This is my assistant parrot, Parry Higgs.
Oh please, I want to cook too. Oh please add me to the show. PLZ mate, PLZ, I will be good worker. PLZ mate, you've got to understand, this is a good idea. PLZ mate, PLZ, you won't regret it, I promise, I really do. PLZ mate, let me work and cook good old yums for all. I am just a humble worker. PLZ, you simply must PLZ hire me. I want job. And this is good job, so hire now. THX, I need no pay. PLZ mate, haha, hire now. Yes, good. PLZ, I want work.
This is my taste tester Stanley. I guess quack quack. Okay Hig boy, get me the oats. Now, you have to use oats that are simply the best or you will not cook a bliss porridge oatmeal delight. You understand? My oats come from one of the nation's finest oat treatment centers. If you go to one of these places to get your oats, I recommend not breathing through your nose because the sewage smells bad, okay? Alright cool bird boy. Now we will get the cheese and chutney. Always use fermented chutney. I leave my chutney in the oven on maximum temperature for 3 months to get the texture just right. You understand guys? Alright cool, very cool, that is super cool guys, that was insane. Oh my gosh guys, this is insane, that was so crazy. Okay, now we need the vanilla essence. You see, cheap pieces of poo think it is a good idea to make their oaty breakfast using milk instead of vanilla essence because they are wrong and bad. Vanilla essence is essential for binding the oats properly and adding that nice zesty aftertaste only true porridge.
You done yet? Mate, I'm hungry and parched, I need my oatmeal. To survive I have to go and see my friends soon, you see, so I really don't have the time for this tomfoolery, you old Tom Sly PLZ.
Alright, now making the porridge is quite simple. Put your oats in the bathtub like this. Now add the vanilla essence. About 150 bottles will do. It's very frustrating that the shop only sells it in these really small bottles in it. Lol, oh well. Okay, now we can take the chutney out of the oven and you just plop it in the tub like this, it will do the job nicely, it will. Trust me. Okay, now listen closely, the cheese is very important to get right. Today I will be using the finest cheese sticks that I got from Tesco a while ago. Make sure to buy the cheapest cheese sticks because you will need a lot of them. Okay, this is important. Now, I will get my cheese sticks out of the freezer guys. I keep them in here because it keeps them very well preserved and fresh, you understand? In the tub they go, ha 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 ha. Now for the heating. Get the hairdryers, Higgs. Good. Very well and good Parry friend boy. THX. Okay, you have to make sure all of the hairdryers are fully submerged in the porridge mix before you turn them on. This is important. About 15 minutes will do for this batch guys, ho ho ho, I cannot wait. Done. Now what do our guests think?
Oh yes. Now I have tingly taste buds, ho 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 ho, the perfect brew, yum yum the best mix, really perfect, oh that is just too good, I simply must save some for Mr. Stanley, oh yes, my mouth is singing, yummy, I cannot believe this, oh Stanley, oh this is good cereal.